Welcome to Parker Annex Archaeology Center. This is South Carolina Department of Natural Resources' first archaeology building. We're in downtown Columbia on the Bull Street property. This is our first archaeology center. It's 9,300 square feet. We're standing in the lobby entrance right now. Soon it'll be turned into our first museum exhibit about the Paqui excavation site that we're currently working on. So let's go for a look. To my right, we have our curation stacks. This is where all the archaeological artifacts from all South Carolina Department of Natural Resources work is stored in our permanent collections. Right now, we're walking past 38 DA 75. That's the Kolb site. A lot of our volunteers have worked on the Kolb site over the last 20 years. Tons of artifacts that we can continue to come back to and research. To the left is our conference area and teaching space. We do teacher workshops, project archaeology teacher workshops at least twice a year. We also host Girl Scout and Boy Scout programs. And past the teaching and curation space is our laboratory space. We're working on a number of projects, including Paqui and Kolb. So right here we have a feature from our Paqui excavation. This is a pottery sherd, a piece of pottery. Paqui dates to about 4,400 years ago, so about the same time period as the first Great Pyramid's construction. And we are currently doing excavations and analysis of Paqui because we are losing it to coastal erosion. By the year 2024, this archaeological site will be completely gone. So now we're upstairs in the work area where most of our offices are. This is the second floor of Parker Annex. What we're walking through right now is the intern workstation and into the library. So this is where all of our research material is, all of our reference books for doing our research. In 1910, Parker Annex was constructed on the southeast corner of the Bull Street property. And it was to house African-American patients, African-American male patients. In 1926, all African-American patients, both male and female, were moved to another state hospital property. And Parker Annex became, from 1926 until the early 1970s, the tuberculosis ward for white male patients. So from the 1970s, up until about 2013, the building is thought to be abandoned. It was renovated, and then we moved in. The Department of Natural Resources archaeology team moved in and renovated it for our purposes, and this is our home today.